you live with Group Kenworth Montreal T.N.T. Trucks and Tips.
Hello, this week I'm back to go over a video I've done in the past about cleaning the Peeper window on a T370 or a T880. It was mentioned in the comments at the end of the video I held up the glass and didn't put it back in. So this week we're going to show you from start to finish how to remove the window, clean it, and put it back in with no edits. Now let's try to do this together. First, I have my little pry bar kit that I bought from a major online retailer. These are little pry bars. It costs about $15, and it's a kit for car trim. Now let's get to work. Take your window cleaner, spray it around the edges, and your pry bar here. Pop out the window. Oh, we also have this plastic pry bar here. I'll help get it out the rest of the way. And then here's your glass, a little bit of paper. And now you can clean the inside window, which often gets dirty. Now when putting it back, what I learned is I suggest to spray it first, just on the outside, so you keep that inside clean. I'm gonna work it into the front edge corners, and then this is gonna be the part that's tough, is getting it back over the initial trim lip here. Ooh. There we go. Almost there. Spray a little bit more. Problem when you spray it, it makes it a little tough because it makes it also slippery to pry it back in. The struggle is real. Let's keep this going. Sometimes you just gotta try to set it in. Put it. Almost got it. You do have to play around with it a little bit, and it can be frustrating, I'll tell you that. Oh, and there's that winning sound. It's popped back in. A little bit of sweat on the face, but the job is done. You just gotta finish off wiping off the excess, and you're ready to go. And that's Group Kenworth Montreal T.N.T, Trucks and Tips, and I'm Matthew Ladd. Stay tuned for more tips in the future. Thank you. Oh.